Hello, I am Ashiqur Rahaman. Today in this tutorial, I will show you easily how you can install data layer in your WordPress website. For this, we will just log into our WordPress dashboard. So let's visit our WordPress dashboard. Now, from the dashboard, let's go to plugin, add new. From here, type GTM4. So if you type this WP, yes, GTM for WP, then you will get this plugin. This is uploaded by Thomas Jaiger. Now click install now, then click activate. We are done. So after activating this plugin, we can go to settings, or you can find this from here, settings, then Google Tag Manager. So we are let's click here. Now uh, I have tutorial how to install our Google Tag Manager in through this plugin. So you just need to paste the container here, container code here, and then click save. You have to do this twice because at first save this just start off, and you just need to click on, then start save changes again. So I'm not going there. I am just showing how to install data layer. For this, you need to go to integration, then e-commerce. Now you can click track enhanced e-commerce. After clicking this, just you need to click save changes. Now let's install our Google Tag Manager. Install a Google Tag Manager to check this is working correctly or not. So let's go to Tag Manager. Now I want to install Tag Manager in these containers. So let's copy this and paste it here. It is done. Container code must be on, and let's as it is. Okay, it is on, so no problem. Now let's check it. To try, click preview, and put our website link here in this field. Now we are going to check if the Google Tag Manager has been installed correctly or not. So let's check here. Yes, we can see that skill Spark Online. This preview has been correctly showing, so that we can know that our pixel has been sorry, our Google Tag Manager has been installed correctly. So let's check if the data layer is working. So let's visit a product page of this website, WordPress website. Now go to that page. It will appear here. Yes, view item, data layer. Now we can see that every type of data is available here. That means our Google Tag Manager installed successfully, and also the data layer has been installed successfully. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to know get further tutorial. Thank you very much.